Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from crypto.com to your trust wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on this crypto wallet option, and from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select Ripple or XRP. From the screen, you have to click on transfer, and from this pop-up window, click on withdraw. Now another pop-up window will open up. From here, click on external wallet, and then on the screen you have to click on this area where it's saying add wallet address, and from this list of cryptocurrencies select Ripple or XRP. Then you have to select the network that you want to use, and then you have to paste the wallet address from your trust wallet in this area. So open up your trust wallet and then click on receive, and then you have to use this search bar to search for XRP. So click on the search bar and type XRP, and then select the XRP from search results. Then you will be able to see this screen where you can see your wallet address. Now you need to click on this copy button and then go back to the crypto.com app and then paste the wallet address in this area. And if they have provided any tag, you can also enter the paste the tag in this area, in this second box. But you can see that in the trust wallet no tag is required, so you can simply leave this area blank and then click on this checkbox, no tag required for my wallet. Then you can name this wallet if you want to name it, and then click on continue. And then you just have to click on this yes I trust this address, and then your wallet address will be added here. Now you need to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet, and then this might show you this warning again. Click on confirm and withdraw. And lastly, you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on withdraw. And lastly, you have to confirm things such as your wallet address is correct and the network is same in both of your trust wallet and your crypto.com app. And be sure to transfer some small amount before transferring the full amount to test if your XRP is transferring to the correct wallet. So first try with small amount, and once the amount has been transferred to your trust wallet, you can send the full amount. So once you confirm these things, click on confirm, and that's it. Your XRP will be transferred from crypto.com to your trust wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.